Hi, I'm here to talk about what it sounds like from K-pop Demon Hunters, which I think is a really good song. I think it's a really emotionally powerful song, and I think it works so well in the context of the film. As the film goes on, it feels like the members of Huntrix are going through some stressful things, and it feels like there's some questions about how much they can trust each other, and it feels like the antagonists are getting closer to having victory, but Rumi shows up, and at first it seems like things are hopeless, but suddenly Rumi seems very confident and is able to sing an emotionally powerful song, and I think it does a fantastic job of helping Rumi patch things up with Mira and Zoe while also uh, being something to stop the big main villain of the film. I think that it's able to accomplish so much, and it feels like a song that really emotionally moves me, and I think it works so great because uh, before the song, it seemed like things were getting rather hopeless. So, having a very strong song where the members of Huntrix get back together and they work hard and they sing such an emotionally powerful song, I think explores their vulnerabilities but also their confidence and their powers. I think it's so wonderful. So it's a song that I really appreciate. It's a song that I have a very strong attachment to. And it's a song that I feel like I've appreciated more upon rewatches because I feel like it's so important to the film, showing Rumi getting along better with Zoe and Mira, and it feels like she has over not a lot of regret over not sharing herself and who she really is with Mira and Zoe and not fully trusting them. Even though I think a lot of it is Celine's fault, but still, it's very important for Rumi to grow past Celine's not so great advice and become more self confident. And I love the idea of self confidence really helping save things and really stop the conflict. I think that is so wonderful, and I think that it's such a wonderful song,